So the Honda left me stranded last night. I had to have it towed back to the house because it was overheating. You can see it blew crap all over the place. Filled it up with water. So I flushed all this stuff out. I need to replace some of this hose, but I'm pretty sure that we're clogged here. So we're going to find out. One of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the thermostat. I have a brand new radiator coming. We're going to do the thermostat first. Went ahead and drilled out. This is normally what I do to my thermostats. So there's a little bit more water flow, but not a whole lot. I usually drill 2 holes. And I usually leave mine small. I mean, I have friends that drill bigger holes than that. We're gonna replace this real quick and see what the dealio is. See if it's actually that or something else going on. Hopefully it's not the water pump. We're praying that it's not the water pump, but yeah. To replace it, basically you have to remove these 3 bolts. This one, this one, and this one. They go right here. So this one and this one hold on the actual thermostat, and then there's a 3rd bolt right here, which is a ground, which I always take out anyway, just in case it's threaded longer. You never can tell, so go with that, and it goes in there. So basically put the little shroud on here, it's like a little rubber seal, and then we'll just stick it back in here, and then we're good to go. Alright, so we're going to put that back in and bolt it back up. Alright, so this is the easiest thing to replace to test if this is bad. There's a bolt here. There's a bolt that holds this ground on. You want to take that off, and there's a bolt up under it that actually holds the bottom on. So what you want to do first is push this in, pull this off, and you don't have to remove this per se. You just basically want to take those bolts out, those 3, and then pull this off and it'll just pop loose. Basically it's the same thing. Put it back on, screw it back together, and you're good to go. And you can just pop it out. So this is the thermostat here. It's the old one. So that's what the thermostat looks like. And I recommend drilling a hole here and a hole here if you have one. And then you can replace it. This is the old gasket. It slides around it. A little shroud. It's easy to put on. It basically just slides around this. And you want to make sure this little cutout right here is, so I can do it with one hand, is right there. So and it's got a little lip. This little edge right here goes inside this little lip right here. So just slide this, basically pops onto that, and you just push it in, put the cap back on, and screw it back together. Very simple to do. And you can just flip this out of the way if you have a Honda. It just pops up, pops out of the way. Do that. When you pop it this loose, make sure you have something to catch the fluid down up under the car, because it's going to pour out, and then you want to refill. So you have to refill and then crank it up. So we're done. Pop this down, back together, and now we can fill her up and crank her up, and we should be good. Gotta get another cap here. This cap is bad. Alright, and that should be it. That should take care of you. Alright. You guys take it easy. Peace.